Technomaszbud presents compact and efficient wood chippers from the CR series, models County Route 60 and County Route 80. These machines are designed for the effective disposal of garden and farm waste and are an indispensable solution for private households, municipal services, small agricultural businesses, and orchard owners. The chippers allow for shredding branches, slats, battens, and other wood waste, producing technological wood chips that can be used for mulching, composting, smoking, bedding, or for lighting solid fuel boilers. The County Route 60 model handles branches up to 6 cm in diameter, while the County Route 80 processes branches up to 8 cm, ensuring a stable output of 100 to 150 kilograms of shredded material per hour. The chip fraction ranges from 5 to 45 millimeters, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The design of the chippers is simple, reliable, and mobile. The working element is a 10 mm thick steel disc equipped with a high-quality 65G steel knife, heat-treated to increase wear resistance. The housing and frame are made of 4 mm thick steel, ensuring durability and long service life even under intensive use. The machines are equipped with wheels for easy transport, including along garden paths, and a practical handle that allows the unit to be easily moved to the desired location. The electric motor power is 2.2 kilowatts or 3 kilowatts, with the option to operate on 230 volts or 400 volts power supply. The weight of the machines ranges from 30 to 40 kilograms, making them exceptionally convenient for transport and everyday use on private properties. CR series chippers are compact, efficient, easy to operate, and offered at an attractive price. By choosing our machines, you receive a safe and reliable tool with a long service life, a 1-year warranty, and full technical support.